Hello everyone, I am Peppino here, and today we are traveling into outer space. This time we are going to Jupiter's moon, Europa. This is what Europa looks like, and it is possible to get here thanks to the Europa Moon Mod made by ToonLego 90. Okay, so to make the portal, the first thing you're going to do is make the frame. You make the frame of the portal like this, with 4 pieces of endstone and an ender eye in the middle. And you get portal frame blocks. So we're going to need some more of these. And there we go. Alright, that should be enough. Then, what you're going to do is make the portal opener. And for this, you're going to put the Eye of Ender in the corner, the endstone once again, like this, and a magma cream in the middle, and you get the opener. We'll just make some more portal blocks for the heck of it. Alright. Then, you're going to make a portal like another portal. And then you place the portal opener block right there, and you have your portal to Europa. But before you go to Europa, you're going to need a spacesuit. So the first thing you're going to want to make is called nylonic fabric, and that's the main fabric that you're going to use to make this suit. So we're just going to place a piece of leather in the middle there and surround it with a bunch of wool. And there we go. And we get the nylonic fabric. Then, you're going to want to take the fabric and you place 2 pieces right there, wool right here, and an ink sac there to get the spandex fabric. Then, to make the actual pieces of the suit, you're going to place nylonic fabric here, and put a glass pane in the middle to make the space helmet. Then, for the boots, we'll place iron here, and the nylonic fabric there. Then, for the pants, you're going to place the spandex fabric there, and the nylon right here, and you get the space pants. Then, for the coat, you are going to place the fabric there and redstone right here, and you get the space coat. Okay, now that we have our spacesuit on, we are ready to go into space. So we're traveling to Europa, and we find that as we have arrived on Europa, it is a very icy world, and if you can look beneath the ice surface, there's actually a liquid ocean. Now, there's no air here, so the only thing protecting us is our spacesuit. So, if you don't wear this entire spacesuit, you will either suffocate, or once you go under the surface, you can drown. But, since we're wearing the spacesuit, we're going to be able to go under the surface without drowning. So we have to just break through the layer of ice on the surface. Okay, we have made it down under the surface, and we are prepared with our tools to explore the European Ocean. Now, the one thing to remember is that because of the possibility of liquid water being under Europa, scientists believe that it's one of the most likely places in the solar system that there could be life besides Earth. So we'll have to keep our eyes peeled for that. Now here, we have some hydrothermal vents, which are shooting smoke up in the air, and when we mine them, they have a 3/4 chance of dropping cobblestone and a 1/4 chance of dropping another vent. So we'll just mine through this one and see what happens. There we go, and we got it. It took a long time because mining underwater is very slow, but this one actually dropped a vent. And also, if you notice, when we mine these white blocks that appear on the bottom, we get these crystals. These are ice crystals, and they can be used to create different types of tools, such as a European sword or pickaxe. Now they appear to be life. They're some form of plant life. So we're going to harvest them, and we're going to see what they are. They are glowing sugarcane, and these are actually edible, and they are the first sign of at least plant life that we've found on Europa. So, let's go and continue exploring. Whoa, what's this? It seems we found something. Yep, this is definitely life. We have found life on Europa. This exotic creature is called a flish, and they swim freely through the oceans underneath the surface of Europa, but they aren't alone down here. So let's go see if we can find some of the other creatures. Here we see another form of life on Europa. This is called a zen, and once again they are passive and swim freely and carelessly throughout the oceans of Europa. And the final mob that we have here is the ice crab, which, I'll be honest, I couldn't find any, so I spawned them in using the spawn eggs, but this is the ice crab. So there's 3 cool new mobs already added, but there is more coming as this mod was just released. One other thing that's kinda cool is this is actually Jupiter setting right here, because Jupiter is so close to Europa. It basically acts like the sun for Europa, and we see the sun right there is very far away, just slightly brighter and bigger than normal stars. So that's how far away we are from the Minecraft sun. And the other thing that you notice when you're on Europa is that you can jump higher. Gravity is turned down on Europa, so you can actually jump a couple blocks higher, which is pretty cool. The other thing that I wanted to show you is that not only can you make tools out of these, and the tools will have the same durability as iron, you can also make them into ice torches like this. And even though you can't place them on ice, if you do place them on other blocks when you get back to Minecraftia, then it will give off the same amount of light as glowstone. There we go, I just spawned in a dirt block as proof of concept, but it gives off that amount of light, and you can place them on blocks just like you would place normal torches. And I placed this hydrothermal vent up here, and it still shoots up smoke, which is kind of cool. It can be a really cool little decoration if you bring them back to Earth. You can place them by your house or whatever to have these cool little vents shooting up this gas and smoke. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this mod. I think it's really cool, especially because it was just released and there's going to be more awesome stuff added, and so I can't wait for that. So hopefully you'll go and give it a try. I will have a link to where you can download in the description of this video. And this is iampeppino saying thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more awesome videos. We'll see you next time.